This is number 15 in Essential Elements, Book 1. It's called Walking Song because we're going to be walking from fourth finger down to third, down to first, and back up. 3, and then 1, 3, 4, towards the end. This also has a repeat sign at the end, the 2 dots with the heavy lines on the right. Now on this page, page 7, it's important to pay attention to the yellow box that talks about how to hold the cello bow. We'll be talking about that more when we start playing with the bow later on in the book. Here's number 15. Fourth finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, repeat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, rest.